Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best mushroom growing kit that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Mushroom Growing Kit. If you love eating mushrooms and want to know more about how they grow, it's time to get a mushroom growing kit and try your hand at growing mushrooms. Foraging for wild mushrooms may be exciting, fun, and a great way to get a little exercise, but it's nice to be able to pick them closer to home. With this kit, you can grow a broad range of different types of mushrooms. Number 5. Spawn and Wax Combo Oyster Mushrooms Growing Kit. Have your own amazing healthy edible log-grown shiitake mushrooms. Plug Spawn features a fast spawn run, large, thick, first flush mushrooms. Main features: easy inoculation instructions. First fruiting 6 to 15 months spaced. 3 ounces oyster wax. Number 4. Morel Mushroom Spore Growing Kit 3-pack. All of our products at Ancient Path Naturals are 100% vegan and animal cruelty-free. We're proud to support our environment and move the needle forward. Main features: 100% satisfaction guarantee. No experience required. Fast results. Number 3. Back to the Roots Organic Mushroom Growing Kit. Each crop of mushrooms from our growing kit can produce 3 to 4 servings, and each box can grow up to 2 crops. Cook them however you like, whether sautéed or grilled. Main features: 100% organic and non-GMO. 100% guarantee. Made in USA. Number 2. 1 pound Boom Mix Substrate All-in-One Mushroom Grow Bags. Fortified with an extensive array of perfectly prepared and hydrated mixed substrates, this all-in-one mushroom grow bag contains everything you need to grow the mycelium. Main features: unique nutrient mix. High success rate. Versatile use. Number 1. Specialty Trio Mushroom Grow Kit by Forest Origins. Grow gourmet pink, white and brown oyster mushrooms with our kit in a few weeks. Just miss the mushroom and it will be ready to harvest delicious gourmet mushrooms. Main features: perfect for all ages. 100% grow guarantee. Made in the USA. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.